This is our porcelain plug-in pendant cord set. Each of our porcelain plug-in pendants comes with a 3-prong plug, and just 2 feet from that plug, we have a thumb switch allowing easy on and off capability. Our porcelain cord sets come with a standard medium base socket, so it'll fit any bulb that you may have. And if you don't have a bulb, check out our LED and incandescent line. The porcelain socket looks great just on its own, but if you want to use one of our cages, you can easily attach it to the socket. Every porcelain plug-in pendant is UL listed and certified for the United States and Canada. Each porcelain plug-in pendant comes with assembly instructions as well as basic swag hooks. We do offer upgrades for swag hooks, which you can find on our website under the Accessories tab. You can do a lot in any space with our porcelain plug-in pendants. You can swag it, sconce it, or get creative, like braiding several cord sets together to create a multi-bulb fixture. Each one of our porcelain plug-in pendants comes with high-quality fabric covering, and you've got 15 feet of cord to work with. And in true color cord fashion, our porcelain plug-in pendants are offered in over 18 different colors.